command responsibility. Pero yung command responsibility kasi may levels yun. So I think naman that any head of any agency na nare-reform, hindi naman niya mababantayan yung 100,000, 125,000 na personnel. Pero let's admit na grabe itong nangyari. So, ako personally, I'm not calling for his resignation because I know officially, I can see I'm not calling for his courtesy or real resignation or irrevocable resignation because I think he's doing a good job. I want to wait for the investigation, and I think it is certain people under him that have to take the responsibility because malayo pa hanggang pagdating sa kanya. No?